decided that this was perfect for my clamp drawer. I pulled everything out of the Smart Woodshop, everything out of the drawers, and I just cleaned it up. I got stuff out that I just wasn't using and organized tools a little bit better. I updated some tools. I did some physical changes to the drawers, and it started with this one. And this has become my most used favorite drawer. One of the issues in moving all of the clamps to this drawer, when I say all, I mean all of this style. I do keep the longer ones up there, easy access the way I've done it, and then these up here and a few more. Combining a couple of drawers into one drawer made it very, very heavy. And I solved that problem 100%, made this super heavy drawer almost weightless. That's magic. Before it was just a cave. It was just an open drawer the way I like it, organize things, because I don't like to make things too custom because things change and I don't want to have to remodel. But as I was fooling around with this, I didn't have this tray. I didn't have these dividers. I started playing with ideas and I came up with a simple system that's very durable, very easy to install, and very easy to move if I need to make adjustments. And that are these simple dividers. I calculated what I wanted for them to be as far as dividers in height, and I came up with about 75 millimeters, about 3 inches, and I made the length exactly the width of the drawer inside so they're tight. I put 2 pocket holes in the end of each. I figured out the spacing that I wanted for these, and I cut a block, dropped it in, and tapped the spacer to it, drove in the pocket holes, moved it to the other side, drove in the pocket holes, and I got perfect alignment. It doesn't matter what they are. I could have made a 6 and a 4 and a 8 and whatever and made them different, but I decided that this was perfect for my clamp drawer. I got the clamps in and they were looking good, but I realized I had this other space that I could use. Now going 3D, we're going up, and I put the other things that I use on the bench dogs, some little accessories to do with the tracks. This tray is simply a box. It's 18 millimeter strips assembled with just screws on the end. And this one happens to be 40 millimeters, which is what works for me, but it can be adjusted for any size drawer. Bottom is 12 millimeter. So 18 mil sides, 12 millimeter bottom. I decided to create a solid rail. So I took, again, 18 millimeter, and I just simply made it the length of the drawer, put it right on top of the dividers, and screwed it into the side. With the extra space I had, figured out what I had room for. It was enough to carry these little trays, which were in the other drawer, so it all worked out good for me. If you'd like to get a detailed set of plans to build yourself a miter saw extension, a smart bench, a smart station, or the Smart Woodshop itself, you'll find a link in the description of this video down below where you can go purchase plans or packages of plans and download them instantaneously 24/7, 365. This is a drawer I did later in the evolution of going through all of my drawers and updating them and organizing them. These were so handy there that I decided to do them in all of my drawers. As I moved along, I ran out of the scrap 18 mil that I had that would work, and I had some 12 mil, and I thought, well, I'll give it a try, and I did, and I wished I would have ran out sooner because this works every bit as good, but it gives me more space in the drawer. These, of course, I ran front to back instead of side to side, so I simply made the width that I needed to fit inside the drawer and then go end to end, and then I made blocks so they lined up perfectly. Literally put these in just a matter of minutes and they're done. Rip them, cut them to length, put the pocket holes in, and then make a stack of them, and they'll fit in all the drawers because they're all exactly the same depth. I could get fancy and make some go this way and then some go this way and start breaking them down even further. But I haven't really found a need for that because these trays, which I get on Amazon, and they're so inexpensive and they hook together, they're not part of the plans. This is something that just evolved to add it on. So I wanted to share that with you. Just if you have the Smart Woodshop, tackle it. It's not really critical. I showed you the particulars I use, but the size and spacing doesn't matter. Fit your drawer, fit your needs, and use the same concept. Mahalo.